Okay, so to find the winner of this election using plurality with elimination, we start with plurality. So we say A has 10 votes, B has 4 first place votes, C has 8 first place votes, and D has 3. Okay, now we have to ask ourselves if does anybody have a majority. So we count up the total first place votes. So that would be 6 plus 4, which is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 3 is 25. So there are 25 votes in the system. And a majority is more than half. So half of 25 is 12 and a half. So more than that would be 13 votes to make a majority. So, do any of our candidates have a majority of the votes? Do any of our candidates have 13 votes? No. So what we do is we eliminate the candidate with the fewest first place votes. So I'm going to eliminate candidate D, and I'm going to look to the preference schedule to determine who should get D's votes now that D is gone. So we look in the preference schedule, and you can see that if D weren't there, these 3 people would have preferred to vote for C. So we're going to give C all 3 votes that D would have gotten. So C is going to get those 3. So my new totals are A 10, B 4, and C 11. And we ask ourselves, does anybody have a majority? Does anybody have 13 votes? And the answer is no. So we're going to eliminate the candidate with the fewest first place votes. So that would be candidate B. And we have to look to the preference schedule to determine who would get B's votes. So if we look at the column that has B in first place, there are 4 votes there. Those 4 people would have voted for C if B wasn't an option. So I'm going to give all 4 votes that would have gone to B to C. And that leaves me with A having 10 votes and C with 15 votes. Now C has a majority, more than half the votes, so C is the winner of this election.